Hello and welcome to Back to Coding. In the previous video we saw maps in Kotlin. In this video we will see mutable map in Kotlin. A mutable map in Kotlin is an interface which is a modifiable collection that holds the pairs of objects, that is keys and values. It supports retrieving of values using its corresponding keys. The key and value may have different types such as string, int, string, etc. Here each key is unique and holds only one value for each key. This is how it is declared. And we have mutable map of key value functions to make use of the mutable map interface. Let's see it practically. This is how we declared the mutable map. Now let's print our mutable map. Here are some of the functions available in the mutable map interface. Let's see them one by one. Put function is used to add the elements to the mutable map. It adds one element at a time. As you can see here, it expects two parameters, key and value. So let's add them. Our key is 5 and value is Swapnil. Let's run it. And as you can see here, it has added Swapnil to the developers list. PutAll function is similar to put function. The only difference is that with putAll function we can add a collection in the mutable map, like for adding multiple elements. Currently we already have a mutable map of developers team. Now let's add a mutable map of testers team. And make sure that the key that you add is different from the one already declared in the developers team mutable map. Now let's use our putAll function to add testers team to developers team. And it has successfully added the testers team to developers team. Contains function is used to check if the specified key is present or not. If the key is present, then it returns true, else it returns false. Let's change the key. And it returns false since 10 is not present. Contains key returns true if the map contains the specified key. If the key is present, then this function returns true, otherwise it returns false. Let's see if the key 7 is present in our mutable map. And it returned true since the key 7 is present in our mutable map. Let's try changing our key. As you can see here, it is returning false since the key 9 is not present in our mutable map. The contents value returns true if the map maps one or more keys to the specified value, else it returns false. It returns true since Swapnil is present in the map. Also make sure the value it expects is case sensitive. So if you type Swapnil in lowercase characters, then it prints false. Get function returns the value corresponding to the given key, or null if such a key is not present in the map. So here it has returned the value Omer for the key 2. Let's change it to 10 and see what happens. And it returns null since there's no key with 10 as a value. The getValue function returns the value for the specified key, else it throws an exception if no key is found in the map. And let's change the key to 10. As you can see here, it has thrown no such element exception. Key 10 is missing in the map. Count function returns the number of entries in the map, that is, it gives you a count of elements in the map. It has returned 7 as the count for the number of elements in the mutable map. Until now we have seen how to add, find, count and iterate through the elements of mutable map. Now let's see how to remove elements from the mutable map. We will remove element with key 2 from our mutable map. After this line, the remove function will return the element with key 2 and value with Omer from the mutable map. And as you can see, it has removed the element with key 2 from our mutable map. And if the specified key is not present in the mutable map, then it returns null. Alternatively, we can also pass a value along with the key to the remove function. This returns true if it removed the specified key along with its value, else it returns false instead of returning null. As you can see here, it is returning true since it has removed the key 2 with value Omer. Let's change the value with the name Mangal and see what happens. And it returned false since there's no such value for the key 2. And finally, we have clear function which removes all the elements from the mutable map. And it has successfully removed all the elements from our developers team mutable map. That's it for this video. I hope this video has helped you to better understand this topic. Please give it a like and comment down your thoughts below. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.